Hi guys, Sourdough Kathy here. Guess what? It's snowing again. We have been getting snow every single day as that pile over there gets higher and higher. I just went out, had to take my car out and go places. There's my garden over there. You can see covered up to the hilt in snow. But I did plant those onions on the 14th, and I did plant my potato chit challenge on the same date. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to run you around here just a little bit slowly so I don't make you ill. But this is how much snow we've got. And all of my gardens, as you can see, are just jam-packed with snow. Probably 2 feet or more. And it just keeps a-coming for some reason. So I'm going to take you in the back now. Hold on. So here we are, guys. We're at the onions right now. This is 14 days of growth. They are probably 6 inches tall, but they're all doing fine. Some are getting their second leaves on them. I don't know if you can see this one. It's got a second leaf on it. But the other thing that I have going here is my potato chit. And here it is. I want you to know that this came up. It was breaking the soil on the 3rd day. And this is it on the 14th day. Now I need to put it in a new pot. Whether or not I'm going to put it into an upgraded pot or just put it into its last pot, it's awful early for us here in Alaska. This potato will be done by the time I should be putting potatoes outside. So I'm a little nervous as to what to put it in and whether or not I should even keep it or if I should start another one. If anybody has any ideas for me, let me know. But so far, this is what's happening. If you have a comment about it, let me know, and I appreciate it. In the meantime, I appreciate your subscriptions, your likes, your comments, all that good stuff. God bless you now. Bye-bye. Love you all.